Nice to meet you. In this session, for those who are using Binance for the first time, I will explain everything from the sign-up process to futures trading in a simple and easy way. It's not difficult, so please follow along slowly. First, if you sign up through the link below this video, you can receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance and various bonus rewards. So I recommend signing up through the link below. First, I will show you how to sign up for Binance. Please click the link below the video. Then the official Binance registration page will open. Here you can see that the lifetime 20% Binance fee discount, various bonus rewards are applied. These benefits can only be applied if you sign up through the link below. First, let's create an account. Enter your email address or mobile number. After completing the input, check the agreement box and click the Continue button below. Select several images that correspond to the word shown at the top left. After that, a verification code will be sent to the email address or mobile number you entered. Please enter the verification code that was sent. Next, enter a password. The password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and must be at least 8 characters long. Next, if the inviter code registration page appears, be sure to click the Yes button and enter BB333 in the code field. This is required to receive the 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus rewards, so make sure to enter it before continuing the registration. This code cannot be registered again after sign up, so please make sure to register it at this step. If you follow these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Now, I will show you how to complete KYC verification. In order to use various features on Binance such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading, you must complete KYC verification. Since the KYC verification process requires face verification, I recommend completing it on a mobile device where face verification is convenient. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the Binance app. Press the Login button here, and log in with the account you just created. Once you log in, you will immediately proceed to the KYC verification process. First, select your nationality. Next, you will need to verify your identity document from the various types of ID shown below. Please select one valid ID for verification. In this session, we will select passport for verification. Press Take pictures to photograph the ID. Once your ID is ready, press the Continue button. Now align the passport information page within the camera frame and take the picture without shadows or light reflections. Next, the face verification process will begin. Align your face within the camera frame and follow the instructions on the screen by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Then the KYC verification application will be completed, and the KYC review will take about 1 hour. Once the approval is completed shortly after, the KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, I will show you how to set up security for your account. To keep your account safe, it is highly recommended to set up account security. First, move to the Binance PC screen. To set up security, click Account in the left menu, and then select the Security menu from the sub-menu. For account security, it is recommended to set it up using a strong authenticator app. Click Manage to activate it. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will then be sent to your email address or mobile number. Enter the verification code that was sent. Now the Authenticator link screen will appear. To proceed with the link, install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once installation is complete, open the app. Then press the plus button at the bottom right of the screen and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code generated on the Binance PC screen. Then a 6-digit code for Binance will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. This code is refreshed every 60 seconds. Check this 6-digit code and move back to the PC screen. Click the Next button below. Now in the Authenticator app code input field, enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. Then the account security setup will be successfully completed. Second, I will show you how to purchase cryptocurrency on Binance. There are various ways to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance. In this session, I will explain the peer-to-peer trading method, which has no fees. If you click the wallet icon at the top right, you can see various types of wallets below. Spot is a wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. And Futures is a wallet for futures trading. First, click the Spot menu. Then click Deposit. And select the Peer-to-Peer menu. If a notice appears, simply check the agreement box. Click Start Trading. Then you will see the peer-to-peer trading screen. First, select Buy mode to purchase coins. Next, select the coin you want to buy. Most people purchase USDT because it has low volatility and high trading volume. Enter the amount you want to purchase in this section. Next, select the currency you will use to pay for the coins. Click this button next to it and choose your payment method as well. Once the selection is complete, you will see the advertiser list below. If you want to trade safely, I recommend trading with advertisers who have high trading volume and a high completion rate. Select the advertiser you want to purchase from, and click Buy USDT. First, carefully check the advertiser's terms. Enter the purchase amount once again, and select the purchase method again. Then click Buy USDT. You will then be able to check the seller's account information. Before making the payment, make sure to check the seller's chat. Once you have confirmed the seller's account information and chat, proceed with the payment. After completing the payment, return to the Binance screen. Click Transferred, notify seller below. Click the Upload button, and upload at least one proof of payment. After uploading, check the Terms box. And click Confirm. The seller will now confirm the payment. Go back to the previous screen and click the wallet icon at the top right again. Click the Spot menu. Once the seller confirms the payment, you will see that the cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited into the Spot wallet. Third, I will show you how to trade futures on Binance. To trade futures on Binance, you need to transfer the cryptocurrency you have in Spot to futures. First, click the Spot menu, and click the Transfer button at the top right. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDM futures. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and enter the transfer amount. Click Confirm. And after a moment you will see that the coin has been transferred to the futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, click Trade in the top menu, and select USDM futures. Then the futures trading page will open. First, click the cryptocurrency button at the top left. You can select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. If you look at the right panel, you can see options to set up futures trading. First, click this button to select the margin mode. Cross is a mode that opens a position using all available margin. And Isolated is a mode that opens a position using only part of the margin. For beginners, it is recommended to trade safely using Isolated mode. If you click the button next to it, you can set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. However, the higher the leverage, the higher the potential profit, but also the higher the risk of loss. So beginners are recommended to trade with low leverage. Here, you can select the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price, and market executes immediately at the current market price. Below, you can see the available margin. In this area, you can set the trading price and quantity. If you click this button here, you can select the position direction. If you expect the coin price to rise, select Buy Long. And if you expect the coin price to fall, select Sell Short. Once you select the position, the order will be executed shortly. Now click the Positions tab below. To check the current status of your position, entry price refers to the price at which the position was entered. Mark price refers to the current market price. Leak price refers to the price at which the position will be liquidated, and when the price reaches this level, the position will be automatically closed. P&L indicates the current profit and loss rate. If you click the pencil icon in TPSL for position, you can set the take profit price and stop loss price for risk management. Finally, if you click the button under the Market Close All menu, you can close the position. Market closes the position immediately at the market price. and the limit closes the position at a specified price. Once you select the closing method, the position will be successfully closed shortly. In this session, for those who are using Binance for the first time, I explained everything from the sign-up process to futures trading in a simple and easy way. If you find it difficult or have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. Your subscriptions and likes give me a lot of support. I'll be back with a better video next time.